Okay, in this video we're going to look at condition number 4. Condition number 4 says switch S1 open, S3 closed. Alright, it doesn't really matter what position. We're going to leave it for demonstration purposes. We'll leave S1 in this position. Current's going to be flowing through here, through my coil, closing my coil with switches, and my 2 light bulbs will be in series in this case. Okay, and in this case we're going to close switch S3. When we close S3, we will connect these two resistors in parallel, and I got two ohm resistors in parallel. That gives me a voltage of a resistance of about 1 ohm. So let's say we have current. Whoops, I don't want to do that. I wanted to use pink. And we're going to come up here through my resistor, through circuit breaker, down my wire, across that closed switch, across those resistors. At that point, we've got two 2 ohm resistors, about 1 ohm total, and 12 volts. 12 volts divided by 1 ohm should give me about 12 amps. It's not going to get that high in practice, but it's high enough to trip the circuit breaker. Circuit breaker can handle 3 amps, and it will trip. Okay, so when more than 3, it will heat up, and it will trip. Once that trips, then all of this is going to shut down. And we're going to go ahead and let's do this also. And when it trips, we're going to go ahead and all of this is going to shut down. Doesn't matter. Oh, these switches will revert back to original. This will shut down. And again, this will shut down, this will shut down, this will shut down, and just, well, now I'm going to lose all of them, but these 2 switches are going to back to normal, even though we lost that. These will remain in their original positions because we didn't affect them. So now when that happens, my circuit breaker will trip open. I'll notice my meter is still showing 12 volts. I'm measuring 12 volts because I'm starting my pointers here. My circuit breaker is open. That means there is a difference of potential between here and here. So when I do that, let's highlight this in green. There is a difference of potential between here and there, which is why I'm still showing 12 volts. Same thing happened with the light switches, if you remember. With the switch here, when the switch is open, there was a difference of potential here. There is a difference of potential now over there. So I will see 12 volts in this condition. And of course, if you notice, I got 0 volts. And I've got a short circuit because my circuit breaker tripped open. And if you look, each one of these has 0 volts. At position A, B, C, D, E, and F. And we'll go back here. And of course this will turn off as well, protecting the circuit. There will still be voltage on here, and this light bulb will still be lit because we still have voltage on the bus bar, just not coming through the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker is in the trip condition at this point. Okay? And that helps you guys understand everything. And that's the last part of it. Okay, enough explanation. Now we're going to watch this in real time. As the circuit breaker, the current goes high, and the circuit breaker trips open and shuts down the system.